The Manawatū River Loop, a collaboration between Horowhenua District Council and the Provincial Development Unit. For hundreds of years, the Manawatū River Loop was flowing and full of life. It was a source of food for tangata whenua and became a bustling coastal trading port.
80 years ago, while a flood protection scheme was under construction, a vast flood came through, changing the river's course forever and causing the inland entrance to be closed. The water filled with silt and weeds and stagnated. For decades, the Save Our River Trust and local iwi pleaded with the government to fix the mamae and restore the mana of the river. The Save Our River Trust even went as far as to get a resource consent to remove the weeds, but they didn't have the funding to carry out the work.
Alongside that, Council created Foxton Futures, a strategy that identified a number of projects including the River Loop Rejuvenation Project that would aid both environmental and economic benefits for the town.
Many of us have been working for decades to try and restore our river and to get it back to a state where people can enjoy it a lot more than they have been.
Then the world stopped due to COVID-19. The government's economic response created an opportunity to get some action on the River Loop. Council applied to the Provincial Development Unit for partnership funding. In July 2020, we were awarded $3.86 million, alongside Horowhenua District Council's contribution of $1.34 million. Planned project outcomes included enhancing Foxton as a destination, add value to the community, and address the environmental impact the loop closure had.
A governance group made up of Council, iwi, PDU and Horizons Regional Council oversaw the project, and Council's infrastructure team, along with the Horowhenua Alliance, oversaw the project delivery.
We included iwi and Save Our River Trust representatives within the design and construction teams, and where possible employed local contractors to ensure the economic benefits were felt locally.
Being able to bring together the local council, the regional council and the community together with some funding from central government to transform what was a fairly sorry state into quite a wonderful facility to support ongoing development of Foxton.
Just over a month after the announcement, Ngāti Raukawa blessed the site so work could begin.
One of the first jobs was to relocate over 1,800 tuna or eels. Then we began the task of removing over 25,000 cubic metres of silt. On the 27th of February, the River Loop Reserve opened temporarily for the Manawatū River Festival. Through the festival, we showcased how the loop can be used by the community and water-based clubs, several of whom are interested in setting up a presence in the loop. The final visitor facilities are being installed.
We are also seeing promising water quality test results.
I'm just blown away with what's actually been achieved.
We've been waiting for this for a long time, and I know the locals are extremely pleased and proud of what has been achieved.
Ka Manawatū te awa, ka Manawaura te iwi. When the river is of good health, the people will be of good health.